The Vernacular Press Act was passed in India during the period of dash. Answer is A. Lord Lytton. Lord Curzon became the first Viceroy of India after Lord Elgin II. The non-cooperation movement was accepted by the Congress party in the dash session. Answer is Nagpur session. The river is known as Sorrow of Bihar is Kosi. The man named as father of Indian archaeology is Alexander Cunningham. Which of the following lakes are saltwater lakes? Sambal. The first population census was taken in the year 1872. The country which has higher average population density than India is A. Answer Bangladesh. National Human Rights Commission is a answer both A and C. Statutory body and also multilateral institute. Who is the current chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? Justice L.C. Dattu. Who can be appointed as the chairman of National Human Rights Commission? Any retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Which of the following statements is not correct about the National Human Rights Commission? The chairman and the members of its commission are appointed by the president. What is the tenure of the chairman of National Human Rights Commission? 5 years or up to 70 years of age. Who is the following is not included in the committee constituted for the appointment of the chairman of National Human Rights Commission? A. President. Which of the following is not the function of National Human Rights Commission? To provide economic compensation to any human right violated victim. Who of the following has never been appointed as a chairman of National Human Rights Commission? Justice P. Satyasivam. Where is the headquarters of National Human Rights Commission? Delhi. When changes have been made in the National Human Rights Commission Act 2006. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha was C. G.V. Malavankar. Which of the following represents the number of nations of the non-allied movement? Answer is D. 118. This personality is known as the father of economics. Can you identify him from the given options? Answer is B. Adam Smith. Mount Etna is a famous volcano located in answer is B. Italy. Where is Tungabhadra Sanctuary located? Karnataka. The agency of United Nations that was set up to strengthen the international cooperation in the field of education and improve the standards of education is UNESCO. Reserve Bank of India is headquartered at Mumbai. Jana Gana Mana was accepted as the national anthem of India by the Constitutional Assembly of India in which following years? Answer is A. 1950. The person who climbed the Mount Everest the most 17 times is Appa Sherpa. Which Indian state has its maximum area under the forest cover? Answer is C. Arunachal Pradesh. Who was the person behind the Kuka movement? Guru Ram Singh. In the 552 strong Lok Sabha, how many members are there from the Union territories? 20. Which of the following personalities gave the law of heredity? Answer is B. G.J. Mendel. Name the person who was also known as Desabandhu. Answer is C. Chittarajan Das. Which of the following is not a language enshrined in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution as the language of the state? English. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Gita Govind is a famous creation of Jaydev. Which of the following represents the finance commissions that have been set up so far? Answer is D. 13. World Trade Organization came into existence in 1995. According to the Constitution of India, which of the following is not one of its main organs of the government? Bureaucracy.